What is Videly software? If you search for honest and up-to-date review, don't search any further. I got you covered. In this video, I will talk about its features, how does it work, pros and cons, and my recommendation. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. First of all, what is Videly software? Videly is a cloud-based video marketing platform that enables businesses to create and manage video campaigns across multiple channels. That's a little bit of fancy way to say that Videly is basically software helping you with optimizing your videos for better rankings on YouTube. You can also do it on Google, but majority it's meant for YouTube. How does it work? First of all, you want to find a profitable keyword. Secondly, you want to optimize your video for SEO. And lastly, you just want to check how your videos are ranking. Here are the features. First of all, it's keyword research. Yeah, so I'm here inside of the Videly software. I purchased also the Pro, so I have the Videly Standard and Videly Pro. Only one I didn't purchase is Videly Agency. That's over here. I will talk about the specific features related to the specific memberships and the pricing just later on. But first of all, let's start with the keywords. Basically, the way or the place you will start your journey with Videly anytime you're going to use it. Here is also a small training video, a short training video, 30 minutes. If you want, you can watch it, but for the security or for the sake of this video, I'm not going to use it. I will show you here directly in Videly how does it work. So basically, the first thing where you will start is here. Enter your enter your keyword. Yeah, so let's put as keyword how to travel the world on a budget. Let's say that you are in traveling niche here, showing the recommendation, okay, how to plan a trip to Disney World on budget, but we don't want to do anything with the Disney. That was not what we wanted. Without money, TED Talk, okay, how to travel to Disney World, how to travel the world in a low budget. That can be the one. How to travel the world on a budget. Yeah, I think this is the one what we would like to go for. So I'm gonna just copy it. You can also have this one, how to travel the world and get paid. Here on the recommended column, you will see how this keyword is recommended. Here is YouTube competitors approximately. Anyway, you can just search for any keyword you would like. I just go now with this one. You can also see search sources. So this was purely for YouTube, but you can also choose Google if you want. I can do it like this. It will show me slightly different results, I guess. Anyway, I pick up my keyword, so I go for the next step. That's video details. I'm gonna click on video details. This is basically the optimizing my video. Yeah, as you can see, I'll click on generate details. Here I will paste my keyword, how to travel the world on budget. Press next step, and here the software is basically showing me how I can optimize my video. There's the main keyword. Software is also giving you some suggestions how to travel on budget. That can be also if you want to exclude the word world. Around the world budget, around the world travel. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with this keyword anyway. Secondary keywords, you can use some of them. Can you travel the world without money? That's a good one. Traveling the world without money. Okay, tips for traveling the world on budget. Yeah, why not? Then I'll go to next. Write your details. Yeah, as a YouTube channel link, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. That's obviously belonging to you. All this stuff you can also add later in the description, which we basically go now. But anyway, feel free to fill it in if you want. I just keep my website over here and I go for generate details, successfully generate details. And I'm gonna just click on it here. And as you see on the right side, it shows me the video details. Yeah, so here is the title, how to travel the world on budget. Can you travel the world without money? So you can even use it as a one title. You can pick one of those words, yeah. And here is the description. And here are also the tags. That's maybe what is one of the most valuable features of this tool, because tags are basically what you would like to have optimized. So this is basically the video details and keywords. Those two features are included in the Videly standard version. Then you have also the Pro version, and the Pro version has basically two extra features, and that's niche analysis and rank tracker. So if I'm gonna click niche analysis, I'm here in my niche analysis feature. Then I will go for the same keyword here. Let's stick with the same keyword. I think I have it still. Yeah, so I clicked and copy my keyword, how to travel the world on budget. And now I'm going to see what are my other competitors, basically, yeah. And as you see, this is really the great stuff of Videly. The software just showed the videos on the first page of YouTube. Here you see the rank 1, so this is a guy called Nate O'Brien. You see what is the score, the number of views over here, number of comments, number of likes, and here are also stats for his channel. Yeah, so total views it's 72 million, so subscribers 1.3 million, 203 videos. And here is the general score. Second rank, Claire and Peter. Third, TED Talk. Yeah, so here is basically the first YouTube page, and then you can obviously see your competitors. Let's say you want to check it directly on YouTube, you just spray open, and here you see the video where you just can basically play with it. Yeah. For the security sake, we go further. So this is basically the niche analysis feature. Why is it good for? Obviously, it's going to show you competitors' videos, and then you can really think of, okay, do I have chance to rank in this place, and what this video has that I would like to maybe add also in the video, and what it doesn't have, so that I can add it to my video and be ranking above it. And also, as I said, it's maybe wise to see if there is a chance to rank. Here you also see what is the title, description, and text of this video. Yeah, that's also a great tool. You can use the text in your own video. The agency one, I don't have it, so we're gonna skip it. So I go for the rank tracker, and that's basically a tool or the feature which is going to track your own videos, or if you want, of course, videos of someone else. But I'm guessing that if this is what you purchase for yourself, you would like to do your video. So here I am on my rank tracker. As you can see, you can go for YouTube top rankings, but you can also go for Google top rankings. I'm just going to show you YouTube because now we are talking about YouTube here, about videos. So I will go and search for video. I just did already write this keyword plus the link. You would basically go here and choose video, yeah, do the link. As I said already, this is the link what I showed, what I searched for, so I pressed it here. This is the keyword, how to travel the world on a budget. And here you can see, you can choose YouTube ranking, Google ranking, or just either of them, yeah. Let's do both of them, and I do track by video. And now let's see the results. And exactly, as you can see, the video, what actually is on the YouTube first page is also showing here on Videly that it's on the first page, yeah? It doesn't show Google. Sorry, this is the second search also in Google. So funny enough, the video is not in the top 50. So basically it's not on the first 5th page of the Google. But okay, I guess this guy is happy with having a 1.3 million views on YouTube, right? Anyway, so those are the features of the Pro and Standard version. Now, let's talk about it further. Pricing, what is the pricing? So the video Videly Standard costs $47 one time. The Pro version costs additional $47, which will be charged, or you will be charged every third month. That means you're gonna pay $47 times 4 in 1 year, right? It's almost $200 on top of the 47. And then there is the agency. As I said, I think this, especially if you work as a small business owner or if you are just one man business, I think the video report and the agency is not really something what would you need. However, if you decided to go for it, it's an additional $67, and it will be again charged every third month of the year. Yeah, so you need to really decide by yourself or for yourself if this is something what would you like to invest in. Let's talk about the pros and cons. So, in my opinion, the pros really that the tool is legit, right? If you're going to buy it, the tool does its or fulfill its promises. They're gonna help you rank on YouTube. It's gonna help you check the rankings. Yeah, as you've seen it, we saw it in the live example. I was doing live example, searching for the keyword, and the videos really exist, and they are really on the first page of YouTube. So the tool does work. A second pro of this tool is that it has money back guarantee because it's coming from the ClickBank, and that means that for the any product you buy on the ClickBank, there is 30 days money back guarantee. However, let's see the cons of this software tool. Honestly, I think that this tool is expensive, especially if you see that nowadays there are tools called vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which cost fraction of the price, and they are much more comprehensive. And secondly, I find it a little bit clumsy to navigate. I mean, once you get used to it, it is not that difficult. But at the beginning, you might be a little bit struggling, and you think, okay, why is it like this? Okay, you see every time there is the new video showing off, but yeah, if you know how to use it, you don't want to have it. So it's already a little bit of annoying. Yeah. Here, this case study is also showing all the time. I mean, it's a little bit like not very user friendly, I would say, but okay. Last thing, what I want to talk about it. Do I recommend Videly software? I would say you can try it, especially if there is money back guarantee. The tool does it work? Sure. It can help you check your YouTube videos. It can help you first finding the keywords, then uh, optimize your video, and then also check the rankings. Yeah, definitely. However, if you consider the price and if you consider that you can use YouTube for your business and you don't have to have any software tool except of vidIQ and TubeBuddy, which are really fraction of the price, they have even free version which can help you scale your business. Then I think that you can be good also without Widely Software Pro. However, if you want to see how to start your YouTube channel, grow it, be ranking, and really create the YouTube channel for years, delivering you passive income, please check my link in the description below. There is a great course I followed called Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is going to teach you YouTube marketing from the basics, and it costs $49, I believe, one-time cost, but it really shows you how to rank on YouTube without any expensive software tool and how you can be successful for years to come. If you would like to see what my online business is about, check my description also below. I'm sharing my link. earningonauthors.com is my website. And for the rest, I hope you like my review. Till the next time. Cheers.